Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text on TikTok. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you're on TikTok and you want to copy any specific text in there, maybe from another video, another profile, any of those different things, I'll show you how to do it. So let's open up TikTok here, and you can see I'm on a random person's video. I could tap on their profile here and say I wanted to copy the text under their name and just use it for whatever I want. Now if I tap and hold on it, you'll see that it doesn't give me the ability to copy it. However, there is a workaround. I can just take a screenshot, the volume up inside button, tap on those, and now let's tap on the screenshot and hit done and save to photos. Now that we have done that, let's hop out here and open up our photos and go to this specific photo. The cool thing is, on any different page, video, whatever you want on TikTok, if you just take a screenshot, then your iPhone or Android can recognize the text and allow you to copy it. So now all I have to do is tap and hold on here, and it will allow me to copy it. So it even recognizes that it is a YouTube link. So if I wanted to just tap and hold on the link, you can see it pops up with the ability to directly open the YouTube app from this, because again, my iPhone recognizes that text and I can copy it, paste it, use it whatever I want. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.